All right, now let's create vendor master data. So we go to accounting, uh, financial accounting, accounts payable, master records, and then we go to create. Now this will go to business partner. So organization. So creating supplier. Um, Now we need to change okay, so this one grouping is correct, and we need to change the role. So create EPA. Now we are looking for FLVN00. So there is a supplier role. Create there. Yes. And then we can say some placeholder name. And we can just say search terms one. And let's put in some address information. You can say Houston, country, state. And okay, language is required, so let's pick language as English. I think that's it. So let's save this. So postal code. Okay. Okay, so business partner has been created, but we still need a supplier to be created for the company code. So we go in here and click on company code, and then we change display to change mode, and then let's pick the company code, and it's 01, and then we hit enter, and then we have to enter the reconciliation account. So I had created reconciliation account. Let me. So payments to vendor, they will go into liabilities. It's liability for the company, and so accounts payable is a subsidiary ledger. So the entries are consolidated for all the vendors and then posted here. And individual entries are posted onto the vendor line items are posted on that subsidiary ledger. So that's why we need this reconciliation account. So we'll add this number here as part of reconciliation account. So it is, so if we look here, it will show this one, and then we save it. And then this was the supplier that was created. And if you look at that reconciliation account, so you go here and then you go to control data. Sorry, to select this. So it is liabilities type of account. Then you go to control data, and this is the field which is really important: reconciliation account for account type vendors, and that's why this account shows up when you search for reconciliation account in that business partner creation screen. And then in the field status group, instead of G001 or G005, we are picking G067, that is for reconciliation accounts. So that is the setup for the reconciliation account. And now we have created the vendors, we have created the supplier. And so let's see if we can post an invoice from that supplier. So the transaction code is FP60. So you go here. And so this is a screen. And so it will ask for vendor name. So you hit here. And then it will bring all the vendors. And so this is the one we just created. So pick this one. And let's say we received invoice for $5,400. And then then say, okay, invoice received for the goods received. And then GL account. So we need the stock account where we post all the receipts. So this will be stock, and then it will be debited stock account and credit the vendor account or reconciliation account, and then just put star here, enter valid date. Check document. Okay, this looks good. Okay, so save. Payment terms is mandatory because of our field status. So let's pick the, so let's pay immediately. And terms of payment to be changed, please check. Let's go with this one. Okay, the document has been posted. Now if you want to look at the document, you go here and then display the document. And then if you want to look at GLV, then it is the reconciliation account and then the stock account credit.